Okay guys, what's going on? Fish and Films. Today we're going to be doing a food chain fishing challenge, which means we start with worms like this, move to bluegill like the things that are swimming in the water right there. We catch some bluegill, put them on a hook, try to catch a bass. So we're going to see how it goes, and we're going to see if we can catch any big ones. Stay tuned. Caught this bluegill right here, pretty perfect size. We put a pretty big hook on him. We got 40-pound test braid going on to him. We're gonna see if we can't catch any big bass. We got a nice big old bobber at the top. First gonna cast it out. I've never done this really before, like trying to use like a bluegill as bait. So I don't know how it's even gonna work. The pond's pretty deep though, so we might need to make the bobber longer. We're definitely gonna make the bobber longer for this. Maybe just take the bobber off if we're fishing the end of this dock right there.
Jokey got the sauce, bitch.
We just picked up the rod. There's something on the bluegill. We walked in here. We didn't see the bobber on. Bass.
This is actually like a pretty good bass.
It's not a huge bass, but hey, see right there, the bluegill in his mouth?
Jeez. Look close to that. Okay, this hook is not going to be fun to get out.
Actually, it's not. That's not actually that bad. It's actually a really good hook set. Okay, guys, see this right here? Bluegill, bass. Bluegill ate the bass. See that right there? Perfect. Okay, guys, so we just came back to the pond. We were fishing with the live bluegill, and we threw another one in, and we caught another bass. So, I mean, it's definitely not the most productive way to catch bass, but you know, it works. You know, a little smaller than the first guy right here. Another one on the bluegill, though. The same rig as we were using before. A nice release. Should I just put him through the hole?